Literally, hi! We're in Los Angeles! Today, we are going to be eating at the legendary Spago restaurant here in Beverly Hills, and we're doing it with a couple legends themselves, Byron Lazaroff-Puck and his papa, the head honcho, Wolfgang. They're gonna be letting us know what is their perfect order. I'm really excited, but it's closed, so we're gonna go pick up Byron right now. He lives close by. And I'm living out my Hollywood dreams, getting there in a Porsche Macan. City of Angels, baby! Yo,
how are you?
Meet you.
Great to meet you.
Oh yeah.
I'm like the co-pilot in a spaceship up here. This
Literally,
is fantastic.
Literally. So we are now driving back to Spago. You are stepping into this legacy, right? This restaurant has been around since the 80s. What does it feel like over the last couple of years to be really stepping into that?
My father built this restaurant from nothing. I always go back to that kind of cliche of pressure builds diamonds. Sure, there's pressure, but I wouldn't have it any other way.
So Porsche is a luxury legacy brand. And I'd honestly say that like Spago is a luxury legacy brand. What do you think is like getting people to come back to these things time and time again?
I think people want to be taken care of, you know, whether it's the comfort of having just an amazing drive or ensuring that, you know, you're gonna have your dinner done to the nines.
I also feel like the depth of service at a place like Spago and also with a car like a Porsche, like you have so many customizations in this car. You have so many ways that you can cater to a guest that comes in again and again and again.
I'm honestly jealous of you right now. You're sitting in the pilot seat.
If you sweet talk me, maybe we can switch.
You're gonna get out of that car, so you might want to hold on to the keys.
Yeah, exactly. Lock it behind me.
Here we go.
Thank you so much.
Welcome in.
Porsche and agnolotti is the perfect marriage. Be careful, this is very expensive, okay?
Yes, sir.
Put a little more. Perfect.
You're back.
I'm back
and
and
you
I
changed your outfit.
I changed the
Amazing.
outfit and I come bearing dinner as well.
Welcome.
How's it
Thank
going?
you. We are great. A father and son team. I mean, how much better can life be?
I just want to be adopted by the end of the dinner.
All right.
That's
You have to get a new haircut then. No?
Perfect. All right, tell me what we're starting with.
This is a classic Spago pizza with smoked salmon and caviar. So this is like a perfect way to start your meal.
Not only do you guys smoke the salmon here, but you sliced it to perfection, and that's all of it, to get that like paper thin, see right through it salmon.
So it's always fresh. It's never frozen.
When you guys go to dinner,
Yeah.
who's ordering?
Dad likes to get after the food and then I'm usually doing the wine order from there.
Was there anything growing up that you wouldn't let Byron order?
Wine.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah. Or
That's
tequila.
easy. Both with a car brand like Porsche and with a restaurant like Spago, this balance of tradition and innovation. Also just like from passing off the business and the restaurant as you guys transition together, how do you two do that?
So if you want to have the perfect place, there has to be an anchor, there has to be a tradition. So when people come to Spago, we have our traditional dishes, like our smoked salmon pizza. People are looking forward for that. So if I take that off the menu, they're gonna say, you know what, we are not coming back.
Right.
So we have to keep certain things.
Also, the
Yeah.
business is big enough. There's a lot for both of you to be doing, honestly.
But it's also a beautiful balance at the same time. I mean, I think one of the things and why we work so well together, having this constant hunger for learning, allows us to have that consistent balance between tradition and innovation.
Innovations generally come from young people, but the legacy lives on.
Right.
And they still honor the past, but they also look in the future.
You have to have the classic, and this is a classic
This is
for a
it.
reason. There's so many touch points of like having a little bit of dairy and like the saltiness of the salmon that could remind you of like a salchicha or something like that, but still very much like unique. And obviously, who doesn't love a little bit of caviar? Go
You
with
ready
the
for some next
agnolotti?
course?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
You need a little bit of pasta for the second course. This is the beautiful sweet corn agnolotti that we have with chanterelle mushrooms, fresh white truffles, then a little bit of shaved Parmesan and a brown butter sage sauce.
This looks so good. Can I
Amazing.
serve you guys?
You want to do the honors or us? Normally it's our job.
Okay. How much do you think that theatricality plays into the success of a restaurant?
The kitchen is energy, the kitchen is life, the kitchen supplies atmosphere, and keeping it open to the diners, you know, really breaks that facade that finally made the chefs the star of the show. My dad being the first really out in the forefront.
Well, you know, somebody had to do it.
Right.
So, somebody had to invent a good sports car the same way.
Like with a sports car, like it is as much about the theatricality of that.
Can't you turn the noise on for the engine?
Right,
For
exactly.
the electric Macan?
Exactly.
Yeah, you need
Yeah.
those bells and whistles. We love that in a sports car. We love it in a Macan. We love it at Spago Beverly Hills.
And I want to think of more things to say, but I actually can't because all I want to do is keep.
Is just eat. It's
Eating
it's
this.
white truffles at the end
Yeah,
of the day.
the king of all the mushrooms, the truffles. Black or white, it's always a big luxury.
Should we hit up the last course?
You ready
Yeah.
for some dessert?
Let's do it.
This is the kaiserschmarrn. And then on the side is also our family's favorite ice cream. This is the raspberry stracciatella.
All right, I'm starting. I'm not waiting for you guys.
I'm
You-
gonna serve you over here.
Like how you think about sourcing and sourcing ingredients, like that is such an important part.
Well, great food starts with great ingredients. And then we just have to enhance them. We don't have to do that much, really.
Ever since you guys have been working together, what has been like the biggest disagreement?
We're passionate about making people happy with food. And as long as that's the North Star, there's only so many disagreements you can really end up having.
We want people to feel good when they leave the restaurant, when they're sitting in our restaurant. And the same thing is with a car. If you have a good car, it makes you feel good.
I'm really psyched because I get to drive home in the Porsche.
I don't think there's a better way to experience Los Angeles. You sure I can't feed you anymore though?
No. I think I gotta head
You
out.
know, guys, I have to work. I have to go too. So
All right.
it was
Thank you,
great
Chef.
to
Outta
talk
here?
to you.
Good to
Yeah,
meet you.
I'll see you later, Byron.
I'll see
All right,
you
later.
Somebody's
Okay.
got to work. You can't ask for a better experience taking a tour of LA than in that Macan. Dude, it was so fun.
I don't know if I have the keys. Did he take them?
Oh my God, look at that. That's not like my Porsche used to look like that. This Porsche is so beautiful, but also simple. So I love it. Beautiful car. Take it for a spin, and maybe I will never bring it back.